Tower, good evening, Jazz 898, LS 31 right.
Jazz 898, Canadian Tower, good evening, wind 300 at 13, runway 31 right, clear the line.
Aircraft runway 31 right, Jazz 898.
Canadian Tower, EVA 032 Heavy, LS runway 31 right, 15 nautical mile, final.
EVA 32 Heavy, Canadian Tower, wind 300 at 14, gust 21, runway 31 right, clear the line.
Runway 31 right, clear to land, EVA 032 Heavy.
Jazz 898, left whiskey, right on Bravo, hold short of Victor, remain this frequency.
Whiskey, right on Bravo, short Victor, we stay with you, Jazz 898.
Tower, EVA 032 Heavy, request normal.
EVA 32 Heavy, negative at this time, there's traffic and trail, maintain present speed. If you'd like to be resequenced, advise sir.
Roger, maintain present speed, EVA 032 Heavy.
Thank you. Jazz 898, I'm assuming you'll be cleared in once the Air Lingus exits, correct?
Affirmative, Jazz 898.
Good. EVA 32 Heavy, you parking at Terminal 1 or you cargo tonight?
Terminal 1, EVA 032 Heavy.
All right, sir. Roll out and exit at Victor once you land, please.
Roger, Victor, exit the runway, EVA 032 Heavy.
Thank you. Jazz 898, once EVA Airlines 777 passes you off your nose, you can make 2 left turns and go into your ramp.
The 777 is a weekend taxi, and 2 left, Jazz 898.
EVA 32 Heavy, turn left Victor, right Bravo, and monitor Air Canada. Air Canada, stop.
Stop.
Air Canada 898, turn left Victor, left on uniform, remain this frequency. EVA 32 Heavy, Air Canada was not doing what they were supposed to. Left Victor, right Bravo, and I'll talk to them momentarily.
Left Victor, right Bravo, EVA 32 Heavy.
Jazz 898, possible pilot deviation. When you're ready to advise to copy a number, please let me know.
Jazz 898.
EVA 32 Heavy, thank you for that. Unfortunately, sorry about that. Left Victor, right on Bravo, and monitor 21-9.
Roger, left Victor, right Bravo, 121.9. EVA 32 Heavy, I request a call sign for Canada.
EVA 32 Heavy, say that one more time.
Request Canada Airlines call sign.
Yeah, Air Canada call sign is Jazz, Juliet Zulu Alpha, 898.
Jazz Zulu Alpha 898, confirm.
Jazz 898.
Hey, go ahead for Jazz 898.
Okay, Jazz 898, are you ready to copy the number? Possible pilot deviation?
Ready.
The number is...
Go ahead, sir.
I would like to know what happened after landing. We almost hit Canada UWD Alpha 898.
The EVA 032, you're talking about the incident before when you were coming off the runway and there was that Air Canada? Yeah, the other controllers are aware of that. They were pretty upset with Air Canada. Do you want me to pass any information? Do you want me to take down your information? Or do I need anything from you guys?
I just want to know what's going on, what happened for that.
Okay, well, you are out of, you're completely in the right. The Air Canada made a mistake, so he received a pilot deviation, but you have nothing to worry about. You did nothing wrong.
Oh, yeah, and we are supposed to write a report regarding this incident because we come in very high speed and we almost hit us.
Okay, so you're saying you almost hit them?
Yeah, probably we're going to file a report regarding this case, just for information.
Okay, tell you what, so we could take this off the frequency, you can give us all the information you need. I got a number for you, and you can give us all the information that you want to give us.
Go ahead.
Okay, the number's
That is correct. So whenever you get a chance, just call the number. You have nothing to worry about. Just give us the information and we'll go from there.
Okay, thank you so much.